Welcome to Wisdom Outlined Coaching. My name is Askar Khan, your math coach. In this lesson, we will study how to approximate and estimate numbers. Approximate to the nearest whole number, how to round to nearest three significant figures, how to round to one decimal place, and so on. So let's dive into the lesson. 7.8126. Round this number to the nearest whole number. Now, what is a whole number? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without decimal place. Because we have to round this to the nearest whole number, look at the digit that is immediately after the decimal point. In this case, it's 8. Is this digit 5 or more than 5? Is the value of this digit 5 or more than 5? It is. So because the digit is more than 5, increase this number by 1. So now what is our new number? It is 8. Because 7, increase it 1 more, so it's 8. So 7.8126 rounded to the nearest whole number is 8. Good. Let's look at another one. Let's try this. 7.4126 round to the nearest whole number. Now, because we have to round this to the nearest whole number, where do we look? We look at the digit that is immediately after the decimal point. In this case, it's 4. Now, 4 is less than 5. So what do? We do nothing. We discard all this and our whole number is just 7. So 7.4126 rounded to the nearest whole number is 7. Got the idea now how you round to the nearest whole number? Let's look at this. 7.8126 round to 3 significant figures. Now this 7 is the first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure. We are supposed to round to 3 significant figures. So we will look at the fourth significant figure, which is 2. Is 2 less than 5? It is. It's not 5 or more. So we discard it. And this, when rounded to 3 significant figures, is 7.81. That's it. Let's try another one. Okay, 7.8156 round to 3 significant figures. This is the first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure. Because we have to round to 3 significant figures, where do we look for? We will look at the fourth significant figure. Now, is this digit 5 or more than 5? It is 5. So what we do is increase the previous digit by 1. So now our new number is 7.82. This is rounded to 3 significant figures. So 7.8156 rounded to 3 significant figures is 7.82. One of the best ways to become a self-learner is try to question yourself and then figure out the answers. So pose questions to yourself while you are studying, while you are working, and then get the answers out of yourself based on the concepts that you have understood. In this way, you will tend to recall and reinforce what you have already learned. Let's move on for further approximations. 7.8126. Round to 3 decimal places. So we have to round to 3 decimal places. This is the first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place. We are supposed to stop here. Because we have to round to 3 decimal places, look at the fourth decimal place. In this case, it is 6. 6 is more than 5. So what we do is give one value to the previous digit. It will become 3. So the new number is 7.813. So 7.8126 rounded to 3 decimal places is 7.813. Let's try another one. 7.8124 round to 3 decimal places. Take a guess. What will be the answer? Because we have to round to 3 decimal places. This is the first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place. So we will look at the fourth decimal place. Is this digit less than 5? It is. So we will simply discard it, and our new number is 7.812. If you want, you can put a 0 there. So 7.8124 rounded to 3 decimal places is 7.8120. Get the idea of how you round to the nearest decimal places? Let's move on. 0.078126. Round this to 3 significant figures. Now, where is our first significant figure? The first significant figure is over here, 7, because the previous ones are all zeros. So the first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure. So we are supposed to stop here. So when we round to 3 significant figures, where do you look now? You look at the fourth significant figure. What is it? It is 2, less than 5. So what do? Discard it. So your new number is 0.0781. This is how you round 0.078126 when rounded to 3 significant figures is 0.0781. Get the idea? Move on. 3,596 round to 2 significant figures. Okay. This is our first significant figure, our second significant figure, and we are supposed to round to 2 significant figures, so we have to stop here. So where do we look now? We look at the third significant figure, which is 9. And 9 is more than 5. So what do? We give 1 to 5. So now, and change the other ones to zeros, because this is a whole number. So our new number is 3600. Don't forget to put the zeros over here, because this is a whole number. And it makes sense. 3,596 rounded to 2 significant figures is 3,600. So this is how you round to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, 2 significant figures, 3 significant figures. So you got the idea of the whole lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. And do share it with others and practice. because it is practice that will make you efficient. Your results will be in proportion to the efforts that you put in. So do not stop putting in the right amount of efforts that are required to score the grades that you want to accomplish. So thank you for watching the lesson, and keep watching and stay tuned. For math coaching classes for board exams, you can WhatsApp me at the number given in the description below. Do subscribe to this channel, Wisdom Outlined, and also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video, and thank yourself for being proactive in learning. You can email me at khan_askar@yahoo.com. Thank you. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.